Good morning, it's Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, Deck Restoration Plus. Just want to give you a little, show you what we're doing here. We're working on a project where we're going to build lattice fencing around the air-conditioned condensing units, and we're in New Jersey. And we're getting a lot of rain. So what we're going to do is we're going to pre-stain so that we can take it already there stained and then put up the project and just do touch-ups. Otherwise, that way we don't have to worry about any rain coming down and so forth. So sometimes you have to adjust when working. That's what we're doing here. So I'm gonna flip this around. You can see our little setup here. We're spraying the lattice. This is very expensive lattice, actually. It goes about over $100 a section. And then we're back brushing over here. So that's what we're doing. Getting everything ready. The box truck over here, we have some 1x4, 1x6 we're going to use to frame this out. New cedar post. A little hard to get cedar these days, but this is what we got on the project. So anyway, we use the Titan 440. Nice machine. Does a nice job on the tips and then back brushing. So sometimes you have to adjust. That's what we're doing here. Like I said, you do what you have to do with weather conditions, especially when we get into the hot, humid days of July and August, and you got pop-up showers and so forth. So that's what we got going on. Got our training deck in the background here, and that's just what we're doing. So just want to keep everybody up to date. Key to wood restoration is adjusting to weather conditions, adjusting to all kinds of stuff. I always feel that every project is it's like a snowflake. It's all different, and that's what this is. It's a little different because we're going to pre-stain. All right, everybody have a good day.